Nityanandam. My name is Sri Nitya Sundareshwarananda, and I'm studying in the Nityananda Gurukul for the past 6 years now. And I've been one of the Balasans who've been blessed by Swamiji, who's been initiated into the various powers of Sadashiva, and is being able to manifest the different powers like the other Balasans also. And like how the story was going about cracking coconuts, fixing them together, rolling them out. Now, the thing is that it doesn't like, we all know that Swamiji doesn't stop with something, one particular thing. And even though we think that it might take little time for us to move on to the next thing, he is much, much, much faster than what we can ever think of. So just like how I said, before we could move on or like anybody could even grasp breaking coconuts and fixing them together, he has already initiated us into the next powers of being able to materialize different things all over the place. So being one of the Balasans who has been blessed by Swamiji to be able to materialize, I just want to share a quick experience on what happened yesterday. So Swamiji initiated me into the science of materialization day before yesterday, and he just told me that choose 10 things you want to materialize and just connect with me and give the instruction, you will see everything materializes in just 21 minutes. So I was like, okay, let's do it. And I just penned down a whole list. And then he said, okay, let all this materialize. And immediately after 21 minutes, I called different people and I found out that everything was materialized, and immediately I got the pictures of it. So that was the first breakthrough. Then yesterday when it came about, I was like thinking, okay, so Swamiji told every day you keep doing it, manifest different things, materialize different things. So yesterday again I wrote down a whole list of things, and then I told them, let us materialize it. And one set of things, what happened was in the temple actually, yesterday there are two things which happened. One, materialization which happened before the Alankar. Second, materialization which happened after the Alankar. So what happened was, I materialized like Kumkum, Vibhuti, Chandan and Abhishekam powder, these 5 things on the deities before the Alankar. So during the Alankar, I told the people who did the Alankaram in the temple that wipe away everything. Check all this, completely wipe the deities so that nothing is there. Take the pictures of the deities and send it to me. And one of the priests from there, he took all those photos and sent it to me. Then I told, start the timer exactly within 21 minutes. I sent him the list of what all are going to get materialized, which body part is going to get materialized. And exactly 21 minutes later, I got a call from him telling that all these things have materialized in different places of the deities. So you can now see it on the screen. So you can now see on the screen the different types of things which materialized. Like the one you're seeing on the screen is Vibhuti on Dakshinamurti's feet. So just one thing which I wanted to share with all of you is that if any of you think, I'm sure that all of you will think this, that if ever we should have lived like the Balasans of the Nityananda Gurukul. And if you are a parent and you have children, and if you are a child and watching me speak about all this, the best thing you could do to yourself or give it to your child is have them part of the Nityananda Gurukul. See, various schools are present so much of things that you come to the school, you're a top ranker, you come to this, you get into a college seat directly. But after getting all that, what are you going to do? Work as clerks for somebody? But here, nothing of those. Just sit with Swamiji, manifest the powers, live your life the way you want, manifest whatever you want. What other life can you have other than this in this planet Earth? So welcome all the kids and all the parents who have children to come to the Nityananda Gurukul and live and manifest the life of Sadashiva as initiated by Swamiji into all of you. Thank you.